Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Acuity Scheduling account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you disconnect or remove your Zoom account from your Acuity Scheduling? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink or remove your Acuity Scheduling from Zoom anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling coaching, you know that it's pretty common for you to switch over to a new service provider. So maybe you want to go ahead and remove Zoom. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Acuity Scheduling account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Acuity Scheduling account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and unlink your Zoom account, here on the left side, you're going to look for this button here called Integrations. Click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the integrations you're currently using, and you want to look for the Zoom logo, as you can see right here. And in order to disconnect it or remove it, click on Edit. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up here to the right. And here at the bottom, you want to look for this Disconnect Account button. Once you do that, you're going to see this warning. Are you sure you want to disconnect Zoom integration? Go ahead and click on this black box right here. Quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see successfully disconnected integration. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to disconnect or remove your Zoom account from Acuity Scheduling, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.